How to enable or disable allow any domain for Siri event suggestions testing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer. If you do not have the developer option, you can turn it on by going into privacy and security. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer mode, and from here you can switch it on. Now let's go back to settings. Then we go into developer. Next we scroll down, and in here we tap on allow any domain. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or to turn it off for Siri event suggestions testing. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.